How to check your motorcycle's battery health. Knowing and maintaining your motorcycle's battery's health plays a vital role in ensuring your bike's electrical system performs at its best. Here, we'll show you how to inspect your motorcycle battery using a multimeter and a few basic tools. Park the vehicle on the paddock stand. Insert the key and rotate clockwise to unlock the seat. Once the lock is released, lift the seat and take out. Connect the multimeter to the battery terminals. If it is less than recommended reading, kindly recharge or replace your battery. Replacing your motorcycle battery. Always remove the negative terminal first, then the positive terminal. Then pull out the battery holder. Gently remove the weak battery and place the new battery in the same direction. Always connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. A simple check like this helps you stay ahead of battery issues and ensures your motorcycle starts smoothly every time.